What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice, creator of Pinoy Dad. Today we're going to be talking about the EVPAD 5S. So this one right here. So if you remember, I did talk about the EVPAD 3S just recently, a few months ago. But yeah, EVPAD actually sent this one to me for free, and I'll tell you more about it after the intro. But first, here's a quick unboxing so you guys will be able to see what's included in the package. By the way, here are its specs. Now, the biggest change with the EVPAD 5S is that it now has EVAI. So that means you can control this using voice commands. But you really have to take note that the voice command remote control is not included in the package. You have to purchase this separately. Pairing this is super easy. You just have to turn it on and then you can use this. From my experience, it's actually just the Google Assistant remote control. I'm not sure if it has other features, but from my initial testing, this one just provides you voice command control for your Google Assistant, which is a really great feature. You just simply give out voice commands to get or find your favorite TV shows. All right, so now let's go ahead and check out how to set up this EVPAD 5S. It's quite simple. You just have to press 6868 on your remote control, and then it will prompt you to install all of the needed applications for you to enjoy the EVPAD 5S. So with the EVPAD 5S, I noticed that it is much faster than the EVPAD 3S that I was able to test a few months ago. It's definitely more responsive than the EVPAD 3S when it comes to pressing the buttons on the remote control. So it's gonna be a smoother experience than the EVPAD 3S. This smoother experience when it comes to the user interface definitely adds to a better experience with the EVPAD 5S. Now let's go ahead and talk about the features that we can get with the EVPAD 5S. We get to live stream cable channels from all over the world. We can get channels from USA, Philippines, Taiwan, Canada. We have Japanese cable TV channels. Think about your favorite channels out there, and the EVPAD 5S will most likely have it. The EVPAD 5S claims to have about 1,000 plus channels on their network. My favorite ones are with the Disney channels because that one is something that my daughter likes watching. And for me, I do like that it has NBA TV, ESPN, HBO, and all of your favorite movie channels can be found here. Also, for my kababayans in the Philippines, you can watch Filipino channels here as well. Of course, it doesn't have ABS-CBN because we all know what happened to ABS-CBN. But yeah, it does have GMA, it does have CNN, it does have TV5, and all of the other Filipino channels that you can find on your local TV network. Now, another feature that I really like on this is the video on demand. Basically, what it does is that all of the new movies that are out there, you can watch on this one. You can stream it using the EVPAD 5S. And I know this topic is a little bit touchy because of the copyright issues, so I'm not gonna be delving much into this. Just know that you can watch a lot of movies on this on demand. And the great thing about it is that it offers up to 4K video quality. For someone who's picky when it comes to video quality like me, I actually appreciate that. Of course, the video quality won't be as nice as, say, for example, an actual Blu-ray quality video, but for a movie that's just recently released, it's really good. Again, I'm not gonna talk more about that. That's it. let's move on to the next feature. Now, the next feature that I like about this is the video recording feature. If you missed a TV show from the other day, you just have to search for it, and if EVPAD has that show recorded, you'll be able to watch that show again, and you can skip forward, you can play and pause it, which is a really nice option because that way you don't have to search for it on the internet, or you don't have to wait for it to be re-aired. You just have to find it in the system of EVPAD, and if EVPAD has it, you can watch it. So that's one of the nice features that I really like about the EVPAD 5S. Now, if you don't know, the EVPAD 5S is actually an Android TV box, which means you can install Android apps on this. I just installed YouTube on this, so it's very convenient to watch YouTube videos on this. Now, do take note, however, that from time to time when I choose 4K resolution on YouTube videos, I did experience some lagging issues. So with that aspect, I don't think this can handle 4K perfectly when it comes to YouTube videos. But playing videos with lower resolution like 1440p and 1080p resolution is a smooth experience. You won't have any lagging issues compared to a 4K resolution. Now, if you're looking for a TV box where you can watch all of your favorite cable TV channels and you can watch video on demand, I would highly recommend the EVPAD 5S. This is a great device. Now, I do know that it's kind of pricey. I think it's around 6,000 pesos. I'm not sure on that, but I'll try to flash the SRP of the EVPAD 5S. Now, if you want to get your own EVPAD 5S, I'll put the links in the description box. If you have more questions about the EVPAD 5S, make sure to leave them in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you know the drill. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.